Potash shares are up 25% in a month and driving ASX small cap potash shares up 70% off the back of this movement. Whether that's murinate of potash, MOP, or the more premium sulfate of potash, SOP, the trend is underway and breaking out of that 12-year sideways churn. The last time we saw potash prices this high was as the GFC was taking hold of financial markets and driving them down. Potash shares were going through the roof. At the moment, this has ASX Fertilizer companies up 70% for the month and 350% for the year. It may well be that the resurgence of potash may have just started. Potash has been the main focus in the US stocks for CF Industries, Mosaic and Intrepid Potash that are up about 100 to 400% since October last year. It's about 5-6 months. ASX's Incitec Pivot IPL as a ticker is Australia's largest fertiliser company that's listed. They have a focus on ammonium nitrate. That company is up 45% over the same period, although we are looking at smaller cap companies with more leveraged exposure to potash prices. That's what we do on Finer Market Points, where we join leading market thematics and top performing companies for better trading. To have an understanding of how this market is moving, we listen to Houston's Independent Commodity Intelligence Services, ICIS. They've reported that amid winter's slow retreat, US farmers are ramping up for another round of large acreage plantings, while the fertiliser market has seen values climb and supplies tightening, all of which are setting the stage for a very engaging spring season. As planters start their trek over millions of acres in the coming weeks, it raises expectations that growers will thereby consume significant amounts of nitrogen, phosphates and potash. This effort to maximise yields comes as crop prices are favourable, even as fertiliser prices have recently had steep increases. Values for crop nutrients have climbed as supply is limited because of the reduced import availability, logistical challenges and recent production outages due to extreme winter weather. That takes us over to the ASX's top potash shares that are listed here. American Pacific comes in at number 6, being 8%. Highfield Resources HFR 14.7%. Trigg Mining has got a lot of news on the West Australian press. TMG is the ticker, just under 20% for the month. Core Potash KP2 21%. Province Resources PRL 44%, and we have looked at that one previously in Finer Market Points. And number 1 is Centrex Metals CXM 72% for the month. Casting that net over the 12-month period, we see these top 6 miners have put on some strong runs on the board. Core Potash KP2 74%, Highfield's HFR 90%, Centrex Metals being first place this month 100% for the year. Number 3 for the year, Trigg Mining TMG 185%, American Pacific ABR 227%, and Province Resources PRL 350% for the 12-month period. Click like to support the channel and subscribe for further updates.